case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In a controversial 2008 case taken up by the United States Court of Appeals for the Armed Forces, a military officer was accused of shocking misconduct. Sexual activity with a fellow officer kept in the dark about his HIV-positive status. While the case, United States v. Upham, primarily revolved around the question of consent in the light of undisclosed health risks, it also provided a platform to debate the lesser-included offense doctrine, a principle of law that holds a crime to consist of several elements, each of which could be a crime in itself. The crux of the case was the officer's undisclosed HIV status and his subsequent engagement in unprotected sexual activity without informing his partner. The appellant, contesting his charges, pleaded guilty to one count of conduct unbecoming an officer and gentleman. However, he strongly refuted the graver charge of aggravated assault. The case would come to contest the very notion of what constitutes aggravated assault and question the role of a disclosed HIV status in that definition. In the court-martial that ensued, he was convicted of both offenses and faced dismissal, 9 months of confinement and forfeiture of all pay and allowances. But the situation took an unexpected turn in the Court of Appeals. The United States Coast Guard Court of Criminal Appeals found flaws in the legal foundation of the case, overturning the aggravated assault conviction. Instead, it affirmed the conviction for a lesser charge, assault consummated by a battery. As expected, the appellant petitioned for a review of the conviction. His argument hinged on a focal point: the military judge's erroneous instructions that the jury should have regarded certain facts as solid proof of an offensive touch, thus improperly shifting the burden of proof. Despite these arguments, the Court of Appeals sided with the lower court. Even considering the instructional error, the court ratified the Coast Guard Court's move to uphold the conviction on the lesser offense, assault consummated by a battery. The case, therefore, remains an intriguing exploration of the line between harmless legal errors and a potential miscarriage of justice.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit LSD.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.